Good day to all GFD teachers and to all BIT students. Ngayon ituturuan ko po kayong gumamit ng JS Fashion Design Pattern Making. Unang gawin po natin ay pumunta sa application. And kapag nakapag-download na po kayo or nakapag-sign in na po kayo sa application na ito, ay lalabas na po agad yung style and pattern. Ang pattern po is hindi pa siya nagagamit. Yung available po pala ngayon is yung style. Let's try. At makikita po natin dito is meron na siyang model. Ngayon is tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano gumamit or mag-design or mag-style ng corset and pants. So, let's start. First is, punta tayo sa pattern. I-click lang po natin ang pattern. And then, i-click natin yung pants. And then, pili tayo. Ang napili natin ay skinny. And then, pili tayo kung short, bermuda, or 7/8, or classic. Ang piliin natin ay classic. And then, high. And then, piliin naman po natin sa model. Pumili tayo ng model. I choose this one. After that, balik tayo sa model. And then, pumili naman tayo ng face. Ang pipiliin po natin ay sa dulo. And then, piliin po natin ulit para sa hair. And then, balik po ulit tayo sa model. And then, pumili naman tayo para sa shoes. Okay, pagkatapos po niyan, nagawa na natin yung hair, yung pants, and then yung sa model, and then yung shoes. Pili naman tayo sa pattern para sa corset. Ang piliin natin ay ang cap. And waistline. Okay, that's it. As you can see, di ba? Maganda yung kinalabasan. And then, punta tayo sa style. Sa corset. And then, click natin yung closing para makapili tayo kung aling design yung mas babagay sa corset natin. Piliin natin tong may X. And then, ilagay natin siya sa likod ng corset. As you can see po, nagagalaw-galaw itong at naililipat tong design na ito. Nazo-zoom in out din po ito. Ayan po, nazo-zoom out siya. Ayan po siya. Ang ganda na siya. And then, kung gusto niyo pong makita yung kinalabasan ng style na ginawa niyo, i-click niyo lang po itong sign na parang mata. Yan. So you can see po, makikita niyo yung result na style na ginawa niyo. At mapapansin niyo, yung model is hindi siya nakikita. Dahil, hindi siya kasama sa in-include nyo na style. Yung style lang na ginawa nyo is yung face, yung corset, pants, yung hair, and shoes. And then, click na po natin ulit. And then, dito naman sa taas, is makikita po natin, may lock and may trash. Dito sa taas, pag clinic po natin itong, pag clinic natin tong lock, is para hindi siya magagalaw, hindi na siya nagagalaw yung design para in case na masanggi mo is hindi na siya magugulo or maaalis sa kung saan mo siya nilagay. And then, kung gusto mo ulit magalaw is pindutin lang po yung unlock. Yan, nagagalaw na po siya ulit. And then, kapag gusto nyo naman pong i-trash, ayaw nyo ng design or gusto nyo ng palitan, i-click nyo lang po yung S. Yan. Para mabura na po siya. Or kung gusto niyo naman pong pumili dyan ng ita-trash or ibabasura, i-click nyo lang yung trash na may sign na P. Yan, para i-choose nyo po. Or pipili kayo kung anong style yung aalisin ninyo. Click nyo lang po dyan. Yan. Balik na po tayo ulit sa may style. Ilagay natin siya ulit. Lipat tayo ng style. Para sa pants naman, kung ano yung babagay, i-click natin yung volan. Kahit saan dito, pwedeng pumili kung anong gusto nyo. I-try natin ito, pinakaunang design. And then, i-zoom in natin siya. Or paliitin natin siya. Okay. As you can see po, di ba? Ang ganda ng kinalabasan. Ang ganda ng design. Okay. Then, tignan natin ulit yung result. As you can see, diba? Maganda yung style na nagawa natin. And then, sa size naman po, pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng mga sizes nyo. Yan, pwede nyo po. Example sa waist na 23. Okay. Then, pag okay na, i-click nyo lang po yung okay. And then, back again. And then, sa fabric photo naman, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng style, yung lagyan ng design, is magpipicture lang kayo ng fabric. I-click nyo lang yan. And then, for example, ito. Yung i-design ninyo sa inyong corset. And then, pag okay na, i-click nyo lang yung okay. And that's it. Ayan na siya. And then, example naman para sa pants is color red. Mag-take ulit tayo ng picture para sa pants. And ayan na po. Pag done na kayo mag-design, pwede nyo nang isend sa Gmail nyo para po ma-save yung ginawa nyong style. Click nyo lang and then click this no and then i-type nyo lang yung email nyo. For example. And then, okay, click na yung finish. Dahil hindi nakabukas yung wifi ko, syempre kailangan nyo pong buksan yung wifi nyo kapag gusto nyo siyang i-send sa email nyo para ma-save nyo.
So I am going to show to you how to style corset and skirt using the JS fashion design and pattern. So as you can see, you have choices here, which is the pattern, style, size, model, fabric photo, new, send to mail, and information. So first, you have to choose your model, including her face and hairstyle. So for my model, I am going to choose model number 2. So for my hair, I am going to choose hair number 3. And for the face of my model, I am going to choose face number 1. So just don't mind the shoes first, because we are going to pair it with the style of my corset and skirt that we are going to do later on. So let me show to you first how I am going to style my corset. So you have to click the pattern first, then choose corset. So as you can see, we have here 3 choices, which is the cup, 7 pieces, and 9 pieces. So I choose 9 pieces, and then you have choices here, which is the hip line and waistline. So I'm going to choose the waistline. And then for the neckline, you have 2 choices, which is the straight neckline and the heart-shaped neckline. So I am going to choose the heart-shaped neckline, and there you go. So for the style of my corset, you have to click first the style, and then click corset, and then as you can see, we have here the closing, and then we have here a lot of choices for the closing of our corset. So for the front part of my corset, I am going to choose the X pattern, and then as you can see, it is much bigger to fit on our corset. So all you have to do is to pinch it to make it larger, and pinch it again to make it smaller until it fits your corset, and then put it at the middle of the corset. And that's it. So for the back part closing of my corset, I am going to choose this one, and then pinch it again until it fits at the back part. And then, so as you can see, it is just plain corset. So I decided to put ribbon at the lower part of my closing at the back part. And that's it. So let us now proceed with the skirt. So click the pattern first and then choose skirt, and then you have 5 choices here, which is the straight, A-line, circle, wrap, and gather skirt. So I think the straight skirt is the best partner for our corset. And then you have here 4 different skirt length, which is the mini skirt, which is above the knee, and next knee length, and then the third one is midi, which is below the knee, and then last is the maxi, but I'm going to choose mini. And then you have here the whether it is low or high waisted skirt. So I think high waisted skirt is the best, and then that's it. So I am now going to style my skirt. And then as you can see, we have here the belt, closing, darts, pleats, pockets, slit, and volant. So I am going to put pleats first. So you have here 6 choices, but I choose to put this one on the both side of my skirt. So you have to pinch it again until make it smaller, and then put another one on the other side, and just make sure that it has the same size with the other side to make it balance. And there you go. So another style for my skirt, I decided to put volant. Volant is like the trimmings of your skirt. So I'm going to put on the hemline of my skirt. Just make sure that it fits like that. So again, another one for the back part. And like that. So don't forget to put the shoe on your model, and you have 7 choices here, and you can try all these shoes one by one until you get the perfect shoes for your style. Let's try the second one. The third one, I think it is not the best for this style. So I decided to put the shoe number 1, and that's it. This is the style that I've made for my corset and skirt.
Hi everyone, this is Daniel Roa from BTVETED for JGFD. Today, I will show to you the design can be applied for the overall style. First, you have to choose your model by clicking the model button on the left side of the application. Next, you can choose which hair, face, model, and shoes you prepare for your design. Next, click the pattern button on the left side of the app and click the overall style since we are about to design an overall style. As you can see, there are 2 kinds of overall style. It can be the A-line and straight style. So let's choose the A-line style because this style is trending nowadays. So we have 4 types of A-line style, including the short, Bermuda, 7/8, and classic style having a wide and tight style. You can choose anything you want, and now let's choose the classic style having a tight style. Now, we are going to select what kinds of neckline we want to put on our design. Let's choose the second one down on the right side. As a designer, you can select any type here. After creating a pattern, let's now insert a style can be applied to our design. As you can see, you can attach a collar, a sleeve, a closing, a darts, a pleats, a pockets, a slit, a volant, and neckline. But for today's video, we will attach a sleeve on our design, and let's choose the third one in down area. And then click the both sides button. After that, we can also attach a dart, and let's choose the third one. If you want to insert pockets, you can select any types of pocket here, and let's add a volant design to our style and choose the ribbon style, and we can now put either on the waist or the tops. Now, let's put it on the top. After putting style on the design, we can insert the measurement of our model by clicking the size button on the left side of the app. And now, let's see the design we made for the overall style by clicking the eye symbol on the lower right side of the corner, and see, we made it. This is our style.
I decided to design a dress. So first, we are going to the pattern. And I choose a dress. Then we have here a different kinds of dress. We have a straight, a line, circle, wrap, and gather. So I choose circle. And we have here a different length, which is mini, knee, midi, and maxi. I choose midi. And I want a tight dress. And we have here also the different kinds of necklines. And I choose this one. So we are done to the pattern part. And next is the style what we want to our dress. So first, the bowline, and I choose ribbon to design the front part of my dress. Next one is the back part design. So I choose closing, and I choose this one. Then we're going to the bowline part. So I want to put this one. We will make sure if we are accurately the design. Then, we are done designing a dress. So, we are going to the model part. First is the hair of our model. And I choose this one. Next is the face of our model. We have here the 4 different types and I choose this one. So, model also. We have here a different model and I choose this one. And last is the shoes. We have here the different types of shoes and I choose this one. So, we are done designing our model and dress.
And for the last part, we're going to create a design about swimsuit since a lot of us likes to go swimming and joining a pageant contest. So first, let's pick our model and we're going to choose model number 3 and then going back to the model to choose the face. I will going to choose face number 3. Same model to choose hair and we're going to choose hair number 6 and then go to pattern to choose swimsuit. As you can see here a bikini and 2-piece and I will going to pick 1 piece. As you can see, there's a 1-piece gathers top tank burkini and I will going to choose gathers. And then proceed to style to choose a design. And as you can see, there's a dart and there is a closing. Here you can see a zipper, a ribbon, and etc. In volant, you can see here a ribbon again and this. And I will going to choose this one. And let's put this in the part of the waist of the model to emphasize her waist. Same, let's put the back of the model. Top back of the model to look more attractive. Here you go. And then going back to the style to and click swimsuit again, volant, and I will going to choose the ribbon too and let's put it here. It's up to you guys kung gaano nyo ilagay, kung or ganito ba siya kalaki, ganito or paliitan nyo pa. So then, we already put a design of the swimsuit. Let's now go back to model to choose shoes of the model. And I will going to choose shoes number 4. So here we go. It is as you can see,
This is the outcome.